Today's a good day for a resort tour, don't you think? Why don't we check out the All-Star Music Resort? Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Joe here, back at home base, and today is a day where we give you a tour of another resort. Today we're looking at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. It's one of Disney's value resorts, alongside its sister resorts, All-Star Movies and All-Star Sports. This is actually the last of the All-Star hotels I needed to stay at to complete that little collection. And for the price, it's actually a beautiful resort. Now, usually I would start in the lobby, but the lobby was filled with kids every single time I was in there. Didn't feel really comfortable shooting that, so just take a look at these pictures of the lobby, and if you've stayed in any of the other All-Star resorts or Pop Century, you'll get a basic idea of what it is. And you've got the directory here, so you can see how big this place actually is and how it breaks up into so many different buildings. So to give you an example, so the building that we're currently at is down here. You can see the little "You Are Here" thing. Now let's go all the way up to where my building is. So we are in the Broadway building 8, and yeah, it is way up there. It's quite a ways, but grateful to have this here because I wouldn't have found the building without it. Okay, so here we are in our room, 8441. So tap to get in, and it is gorgeous. So if you're unfamiliar with these rooms, you've got the queen bed there, and then you have this nice little table set up, which is great, but this does pull down into another queen bed if you need it. Over here you've got your Alexa, and you've got some charging space for when this is a bed and this becomes your night table. Got your little, for lack of a better term, a kitchenette here. You've got a little coffee maker, you've got your ice bucket, some just information here so you know when the housekeeping and all that is happening, tea and the like, and creamers. And down here you've got a beverage cooler, so if you've got any beverages you want cooled, just know it's not a refrigerator, so if you've got medicine or something like that, that means that you actually need to keep something properly chilled. You need to let guest services know, because otherwise this won't do that job. But as far as beverages are concerned, cool. They've hidden the thermostat, but no thermostat escapes me. And the usual TV, and there's some storage here, and what goes on in here. We got a little safe, some extra pillows, a Bible. We're still doing that, huh? It appears that this is an adjoining room, so that door actually goes over to the next room. One of the things I always love about these rooms, other than just the cute little accents like this, the fact that all of your bags can actually go underneath the bed. They've made it nice and high so that that can happen. Now let's go into the bathroom. Oh, hi. So bathroom, you know what bathrooms look like. So you've got your sink here. It's separated from the toilet and shower so that, you know, people can shave or wash their face or do whatever they're doing while people who are in there are doing whatever they're doing. Lots of additional storage. You've got some hangers here, some more shelving. You've got ironing board and a hair dryer. I don't know about hair dryers for some reason. I couldn't really explain why. Then you've got your provided soaps, Kleenex towels, mirror, and more body products in here. Place to put your own body products if you brought them. Nice big shower head. That pulls across to be a clothes hanger for you, so you can dry off your bathing suits or whatever. I don't know what you use this for. But one thing they've gotten really good at is a lot of plugs, a lot of ways to charge stuff, because we just live in that world now. And then you got somebody like me who has, how many cameras here today? I think I brought 4. So we've got USB-A and a couple of plugs. We got USB-A and a couple of plugs. We got USB-A and a couple of plugs over there. USB-A, a couple of plugs over there. And USB-A and a couple plugs over here. So there is more than enough space to charge whatever it is that you might actually want to use in here. In the main building, you'll find Maestro Mickey's, which is the resort's merch shop. It's the holidays, so there's a ton of seasonal merch right now, like spirit jerseys and Mickey ears, holiday character plushies, including this chubby Stitch, do not fat shame, Mickey sweatshirts and ornaments, these peppermint Mickey ear lounge flies, this other Mickey bag, some kids apparel with light up necklaces, this other sweater and this other loungefly, these plaid Mickey ears, and non-holiday merch like this classic Mickey gear, hats and graphic tees, mini ears and loungeflies, t-shirts, shorts, and mugs, and a selection of swimwear in case you forgot yours or you're just looking to upgrade. You'll also find the intermission food court in the main building. In here are a number of counters offering things like specialty beverages and ice cream, baked snacks like cupcakes and brownies, entrees like sesame chicken and stir fry with a selection of sides, and some classic Italian like chicken parm, pizza, and a meatball sub. You can get yourself a frozen treat and a number of refrigerated snacks and drinks to take on the go. Reese and I stopped for a quick bite and got the kids pasta and meatballs. I got tomato sauce and Reese went with the Alfredo. And here you've got notable games. This is the arcade. And as every arcade should have, we should have a couple of massage chairs for the folks. And then all kinds of stuff. We got pinball over there. There are kids here, so I don't want to show off too much stuff, but you get the basic idea. Lots of games, even more games. Can't stop having games. And hey, would you look at here? Even more games. So a good place to take the kids if you're having a resort day or something like that, just something for them to do. The Christmas theming is out and always looks spectacular in Disney hotels. They did a really good job here with these wreaths. Then you got your regular everyday art here. You've got a big mural that takes up this entire wall. It's really, really pretty. The fire alarm's not part of it. Keep an eye out for the occasional character greeting that shows up at the resort. They had Goofy, Pluto, and Donald on this day. We got the bus stop here. It's only buses from the All-Star hotels, but you can see it sets up for all of the different locations, the same as anywhere else. You can see they got the schedule here as well. And in case you forget where you are, you have a staunch reminder. Out back, you'll find Singing Spirits, a bar that features a bunch of specialty beverages like the Frosé, a strawberry margarita, pineapple mule, pina colada, and some featured cocktails that you'll find on their printed menu. Central to the grounds, you'll find the main pool by the Calypso building. The pool's shaped like a guitar and features a fountain of the 3 caballeros in the middle of the pool. By the pool, you'll find some public washrooms as well as the public laundry facility. Here's where guests can get a little laundry done on a rest day, or for people on longer visits, or people who just don't want to do so much laundry when they get home. Also, another massage chair. The buildings are themed by musical genre, including Calypso, with special decorations at the entrance and on the stairs. Next, you have jazz with some excellent theming and a Nolans-style fountain between the two buildings. Towards the back, you have the second pool, which is shaped like a piano. There are also stereo pieces along the side with amazing details, even on the back. Rock and roll is the most outlandish of the buildings with bright colors, and I totally owned that guitar. Large speakers are covering up the stairs, and this has got to be an Abbey Road reference, right? Country is sporting some big cowboy boots at the entrance with country instrument theming and the best vibes with this ranch-style rest area. And last, you've got Broadway, the best representation of an actual place with some classic Broadway theming, New York streets, and a huge marquise featuring some of Disney's biggest Broadway musicals, like The Lion King, Aladdin, Frozen, and so many more. We just had to get a picture in front of this one. The box office in front of the entrance has a fun surprise that didn't show up in this shot. Let's just say somebody's working behind that curtain, so you'll want to check that out. But overall, this is such a fun resort with so much to see and do. All right, well, that is going to do it for this resort tour. I hope you liked it. Let us know where you'd like to check out next. Even places we've been before, we'll go if we haven't done a video for it. So let us know down in the comments. Also, let us know down in the comments, little call to action. What is the favorite resort you've ever stayed at on Walt Disney World property? If you liked the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have new videos coming out. And believe me, there are going to be a lot of videos coming out in the near future because this trip was for a reason. And until next time, my friends, whatever you do, make it magical. So this is the last 20 seconds of the video where you kind of say stuff and tell you to subscribe and watch videos, and you got some options there. You can just go into the channel and check out other videos too. I don't know, are you having a good day?